Wingham Fire. Please respond to 85 Patrick Street East for a CO alarm going off. No symptoms, however unable to evacuate due to mobility. Again, that's 85 Patrick Street East for a CO alarm going off. Time of first page is 13:25:10. Attention North Huron, Wingham Fire. Please respond to 85 Patrick Street East, cross streets of Francis and Shutter Street for a CO alarm going off with no symptoms, however unable to evacuate due to mobility. Again, that's 85 Patrick Street East, cross streets of Francis and Shutter Street for a CO alarm going off. Time of second page is 13:26:04. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, Car 1.
Go ahead, Car 1.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
Roger, acknowledging page at 13:26:44.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, ladder 2.
Go ahead, ladder 2.
You can show ladder 2 respond to Patrick Street for CO alarm, Bravo +4.
Roger that, ladder 2 responding Bravo +4. It's 13:30:09.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, ladder 2.
Go ahead, ladder 2.
Ladder 2's on scene, OPP on scene, Bravo be command mobile. We have a 2-story brick house, new construction.
Roger, ladder 2 on scene, OPP on scene, Bravo in command mobile, 2-story brick house, new construction, 13:31:26.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show I made contact with the occupants. Both do have mobility issues. They are still currently in the home. The alarm has been going off for roughly 10 minutes. Sending a crew to do an investigation. You can also show a 360 in progress.
Roger that, command. You made contact with occupants. Both have mobility issues. Alarm sounding for 10 minutes. 360 in progress. Crew entering. Command, would you like an ambulance on standby?
Yeah, maybe dispatch if there's one available. It's not urgent though.
Roger that, I'll put an ambulance on standby. 13:33:55. Anything changes, let me know.
Go ahead, entry 1. Command. Yeah, roger that, thank you. Fire dispatch, North Huron command. You can cancel EMS, they're not required.
Roger, requesting EMS cancel, they're not required at 13:35:09.
Entry 1, call command. When you do a full sweep of the house, can you tell me what they have for gas appliances? How many issue locating some vents out here? Go ahead, entry 1. Roger, thank you. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show a 360 structure complete. All vents appear to be clear. We're just doing a further investigation.
Roger, 360 complete. All vents appear to be clear. Further investigation. 13:38:02.
Entry 1, call command. Can you just give me an update, please? Roger that. When you're doing your sweep, you can exit the building, and you can do the smoke alarm check as well, please. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
After investigation of the entire structure, we have found one CO detector that is at end of life. We will be just doing an alarm check at this point.
Roger, after investigating structure, found one faulty detector. We'll be checking alarms at 1341-59.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead, Command.
Scene's being left with the homeowners. Command terminated. All units return to Wingham Station.
Roger, scene being left to homeowner. Command terminated. Returning to station at 13:55:28.
Fire dispatch, North Huron ladder 2.
Go ahead, ladder 2.
See you show us back at hall, back at service. Could you clear up this call, please? Have a wonderful day.
Roger, ladder 2 back at hall, back in service at 13:58:48. You have a good day as well.